Okay, we're going to continue on with the second doll. I have a feeling this is Moppet size May. Well, it should be anyway. She so far seems to be a whole lot bigger than the other one. Wow, she's gonna be a big girl and very heavy. I can only imagine what the BB size or the LL size would be like. This is her certificate of authenticity. It's exactly the same as the other one. And she is May chocolate. And here are her eyes. I don't see eye putty with this one, but they are brown eyes, which is exactly what I was hoping for. She's huge. She is huge. Okay. And she's a contortionist. Wow. I didn't expect her to be this big. I'm not saying I'm disappointed, but I just didn't expect it. She kind of looks like an astronaut at this point. Oh, her little face is beautiful. I love her little face. Oh, and her factory face up is gorgeous. Okay. Now let's make sure she has all of her little fingers and all of her toes are there. Make sure nothing is broken. Oh, she is amazing. But I don't know if I would like a size that's bigger than this. I really don't know. Because she's not a size doll that you would want to travel with, that's for sure, because she's very heavy. Okay, here she is. She is absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy with this doll. So I will get the eyes installed and I will add to this video. Bye.